very close to Bangalore, a professional person quit his job and organized farmers to market their tender coconut. Now, he has to balance several things when he is trying to do that. Of course, there is a lot of money to be made for each farmer by properly marketing the tender coconut. You can almost double their incomes. So, if you have to take charge of this operation through a cooperative, then how do you handle this? So, this promoting person, he went into the villages and told the farmers that I will pay you. So, he started paying the farmers upfront. So, he did two things. One is he started paying more than the trader because there is a higher margin to be made, and he also paid the farmers upfront. Now, he was stuck with the entire job of marketing hundreds of tons of tender coconut, and none of the farmers were really taking charge. And if for some reason the price goes a little up or down, then there is a loss. On top of that, there is also a interest burden that the cooperative has to bear because they have borrowed a lot of money from outside and they have given it to the farmers until they realize the money from the market, they will not be able to repay the loan. Now, he started running into losses. Now, what he should have done is just done what the trader does. The trader who buys it from the farmer does not pay the farmers upfront. He just takes the coconut, goes and sells it in the market, and when he has realized the money, he comes back and pays the farmer. The cooperative should do the same thing. Now, this has several advantages. One is that you don't have to run around raising working capital. Number two, your interest costs really come down. And third, the farmers take a lot of interest in the marketing because their money is stuck up. So, they want to make sure that the coconuts are in good quality, that they are shipped properly, that they are marketed properly, that the quality, they have not gone bad, and so on and so forth. So, they really start taking charge of the operations. If you don't do that, it's quite possible that the farmers will give the good coconuts to the trader and give the bad coconuts to the cooperative because they get money upfront and then they don't have to worry about it. So, these are some of the dangers of not thinking through the money and how to use money, these operations very carefully.